you can see that the connection that come here from this place to this place is stopped right here. So for it to connect to this output, because this is where your output will come out from, for it to connect to this output, you need something to connect it. So that's why we have this guy here. So this is like fuse. Welcome to Radio Tech Channel. Today we are going to talk about GearSwitch. This GearSwitch is 63 amps, 415, that means 3 phase. They can also call it switch fuse unit. This is the inside of the GearSwitch, and this is the wiring diagram of this GearSwitch. As you can see, neutral, and the first phase, second phase, third phase, and we have fuse up there which give output. And you can see these are the details there. So let's go to the main board. This is the inside of the GearSwitch, and the reason why it's called GearSwitch is this serves as a gear, like you swing it up, swing it down. So don't let me remove this. So if you want to buy, when you buy it new, this handle will be separated, like you will remove it from inside it and then put it, screw it to this terminal, to this side. So what do we have inside it? We have 3 cutouts. So we have 3 cutouts inside it. As you can see. Don't worry, you saw something inside here. I will explain later. So, and then this is the cutout, and down here we have the terminal where we are going to. This is the head of the terminal. This is what I'm removing. So this is the third one. So how does this thing work? This first thing, you are going to create a hole down here so that it will receive the input wire that is coming from your electrical pole, and then it's going to enter here. This terminal, you're going to put it red phase, blue phase, and yellow phase. So this is the input terminal. These are the input terminal. These are the input terminal. These 3. So the output, if you check, there is a ion that has been connected from this second terminal to this one. Are you getting the point? And then the protection side of this GearSwitch is this cutout. You can see that the connection that come here from this place to this place is stopped right here. So for it to connect to this output, because this is where your output will come out from, for it to connect to this output, you need something to connect it. And then not only ordinary thing, what can protect the house, any building that what can protect any house that you want to power. So that's why we have this guy here. So this is like fuse. It serves like fuse, and there are some GearSwitch that instead of this kind of cutout, what you are going to have inside it is fuse. So here, what we did right here is that we put a wire, and this wire is not just like you are going to take any other any wire anyhow. Based on what you want to use the house to power, you will make sure you get a wire that fits the ratings, and then you connect it. You connect this first side to this second side. You can see how they lock it together. They bridge them together. So that's what we connect this terminal, input terminal right there, to this second output terminals. So when you plug it together like this, it's going to connect. Look at the other one. There is no wire there right now. If you connect it, your power that is coming from here will just get stuck at this first terminal, it will just get stuck right here. It won't connect to this other side until you do that same thing for this place also. So that's what you are going to do for the 3 cutouts for it to function properly. And then what else did I want to explain? Okay, this is the terminal for neutral. This is terminal for neutral. Your input neutral will enter through this place, and then you make it pass this side, and then you connect it to this place. While your output, you are going to open this place. We have not opened it yet, and then receive it to this other side. So it's just input flow in, output flow out. So the cutout serves as a fuse, but there are some GearSwitch that what you are going to have here is fuse, pure fuse. I don't know if you don't know fuse. I will show you a picture of it. And then, okay, about being energized, like if you want to connect it. And something right here is that you can see that this terminal and this terminal, they are separate. As you can see, they are separate. They stand separate. So what we connect them is this connector, and it's connect to stick. It's an iron that forms in shape of C. So it's going to connect this terminal and this terminal together. The reason why I can't show you is that there's a way they program this GearSwitch until you close it. That's when you can switch it. Until you close it, that's when, okay, no. So this is what I'm explaining. You can see that I've already closed it. Let me open it again. You can see, and then let me close it. I will need to pause the video before I close. And the reason is that until this like control is pressed down, that's when you can swing it. But if this control did not press down, you can't swing it. And reason for that is so that they can make sure that this board is closed. Until then, that's when you can swing it. So this board, we press this knob like this, so for it to happen. But let me close this right now. So this is what I'm trying to explain. You can see that this side has been connected to this side. It bridged them together. Same thing happened right here. Same thing happened right here. And one thing you will notice is that what they use here is stick. If they use iron, that means that it can bridge each and the 3 faces together. So that's why they use stick, and then they even use another plastic materials to protect. It's just a sense of insulation to keep the 3 faces from being collide together. So any other thing I need to explain? Nothing else. But any house that you want to use this thing to power, you make sure that you understand the ratings that they need. But this one is just 63. We have 100, we have 200 amps, and so on and so forth. It's just based on your house capacity. So let me close the other 10 that are there in this place. You can see we have closed this, and then something goes for this place, and then the last one, we just screw it, and then you are good to go. You are good to go. When you want to connect the terminal, you put your wire in. You have not ready for this connection, that's why we are not doing it right now. You put your wire in, and then you lose this place, and you serve your distance there, and your output is going to come out from the terminal that is there. Hope you understand this simple video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And then the last thing I need to mention is connect your earth terminal, earth wire to this side. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.